Bang, kabash. Crash and burn, baby. Crash and burn.
Well, about 8 months ago there was severe windstorms in Melbourne, and this is a result of a windstorm. So now, since my antenna tower blew down in the wind, I always check the weather reports. I don't really rely on checking solar flare sort of reports for the DX. My main thing that I like to check on the internet is about the weather and how much wind is out there, because when this happens it's just a pain in the balls to fix. So, and to protect your equipment and property from damage if such a thing happens. Anyway, so 8 months ago that happened. It's now around the 20, what is about the 20, what's the date? Monday the 23rd. And I was checking the wind weather from the Bureau of Meteorology channel, and it said there's going to be some big winds sort of Monday night and Tuesday, maybe the rest of the week. So in such case, just want all my YouTube friends and fellow CBs out there around Melbourne just to check their towers and that for big winds coming up. So one sort of key point is to make sure you lower them down, so point your antenna into the wind so they don't catch the wind. And if you haven't got that sort of capability, just make sure your guy wires are right. And yeah, that's all I can say, because when the wind's out there, mate, you just got to, you know, just make sure everything's right, because wind and antennas sometimes aren't a very good combination. Anyway, like I said, this goes out to all the CBs in Melbourne. This is just a weather report, a weather warning. It's going to be windy. Simplest way is check that your equipment is up to the wind loads that could be generated out there this current week. 73s. Have a nice day.